So we've got a little catch here. It's not super high quality. I've just been able to bend that with my fingers, but we've designed it so that it'll come around and we'll be able to clip it onto here. So it'll clip on probably without a padlock and hold in place, but also we can put a padlock on it. I've just got a little one I can stick on. Now, because this catch here is going into the edge of a thin board, we're just going to put the screws in, but rather than putting them in straight so it's really weak on the edge, we're going to put all of them in on an angle. So when we screw them in, we won't screw them in straight, we'll come in on an angle, it'll get a much better bite. And then because there's a lot of weight on here, I'll also put some bigger screws right through this into the frame to try and give you a bit of strength as well. The screws that came with the catch were just pathetic. A heap of them just snapped off and obviously weren't going to be very strong, so I gave those the flick and put some new screws on. So there we go, and the catch is on, the door is swinging, and it's doing a great job. And the catch, it holds without a padlock, which is what I was after. The reason I chose this latch is because the catch actually swings over and covers all of the screws. I didn't realise that the little cheapy plastic screws were all going to break off, but I've gone for bigger screws in there, which, you know, looks a bit silly, but it means it's going to be strong and it's going to hold. And the same for where I've mounted that there. The bigger screws looks a bit funny, but you know what? With this little lean-to shed, it's absolutely fantastic. And now, nice big gate, gets in, swings fully open. It's just full of rubbish at the moment, but I can get some more in there. The last bit I'm going to do to finish off, it's just a lean-to on the side of a garage here, but I'm going to put a bit of silver paper on the back on that fence and also silver paper down the wall, and then I'm going to be storing some furniture in here. Now it just so happens there was a big storm last night, so I got to check it all out, all of the little ceiling bits that I did up the other end, and no water came in here at all. So really happy with that, and really happy with my gate. But this was all just recycling stuff that I had, so now I can clean it up, close the door, and keep it all safe.